Children, welcome back to Study with Nisha, and this is part third of the same chapter, My Diary. So, students, in the last video, extremely sorry, the video got disconnected itself because of some technical issues. So, in the last video, we were talking about Mail's father, that how was he hoping about his daughter, that she'll be one day a great writer, because he has seen her talent in her childhood, and seeing her talent only, he has got her a diary so that she can at least start writing her small poems or small writings since childhood. So again, in her school there was a competition held. So here we are going to have the same paragraph. Here in this paragraph we are going to see that how he is happy to see her winning. So Appa's super proud of my writing. Now she is saying that my father is so proud of my writing. Last month I won this poetry competition in a school, and he told everyone on the planet about it. So now, because she has won the poetry competition in her school, so her father is so happy, and he's telling everyone about uh, his daughter's winning. Everyone, actually, I have started writing many stories, but I haven't finished all of them. Now she is telling that I have started. Now she had already started writing many stories, but she hasn't finished them off. The thing is, I just don't know where some of them are going to go. Now she is confused that how can she finish off all the stories which she has already started writing. She doesn't know the end of the stories. That's why she has just stopped writing. I once wrote a novel in which the villain was born on February 29th, and so technically he is only 20-year-old like me, but he is really much older. He goes to school and he is mathematical child prodigy. Only he can't. Now she has written a novel also, and now she is telling about her novel, that in her novel she has made a character, and the character is technically is only 12-year old, but in reality his age is more than that. He is so older, and he is very very good at maths, and that's why he has been called child prodigy. So students, child prodigy means a young child who is unusually intelligent or skillful for his or her age. It means a child, he or she is full of इंटेलिजेंस, जिसकी बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा स्किल्डफुल हो, इंटेलिजेंट हो. सो द नॉवल कैरेक्टर इज समथिंग that he is very much talented in at his young age. यानी वो 12-year old है, but he is very much intelligent. Only he can't be a prodigy because he is not a child really. But now she is telling, yes, he is a child prodigy, but actually he cannot be a prodigy. He cannot be so intelligent and so skillful, because in reality he is not a child. वो एक child नहीं है. Thamrai said he must have looked really old, that nobody would have believed that he was only 12. I said he wore makeup, but that only made him laugh even more. Now Thamrai, he is one of her friends, and now he's telling male that your character somewhere very much older, because he's skilled and very much intelligent. But male is telling her friend that no, he is not 12-year old, he is actually too old, but because of makeup he looks so young, but in reality just he is much older. So the moment she told all these things about makeup, about intelligence of her novel character, then Thamrai started making fun of it. उसका मजाक उड़ा लेता है. Now what she says, I really don't know if I will ever. यहाँ पर this will should not be there. If I ever become a writer, though. Now thinking, seeing Thamrai laughing at her writing or a story or novel, now she is thinking she may not be a good writer. So she is doubting herself because somewhere she has got disappointed. जब हमारे ऊपर कोई हंस देता है तो basically we also get disappointed. So she has also got disappointed and she is saying that शायद ही मैं writer बन पाऊँ. Now Tata knew what I was thinking. He said, of course you will, Peacock. Now Tata again, he is her friend, and seeing her disappointment, Tata says that don't worry, one day you will be a writer and you will be a great writer. You don't worry, Peacock. Now here Peacock. So Tata calls her Peacock because let's see what is the reason. He said he would give me a real peacock feather and that I should stick right on the top, but I don't want to. It'll look silly. Now Tata, he is suggesting her that you should one day I would give you one peacock feather and just keep it on your top, यानी अपने head पे उसको लगा लेना, so that it will be making your look better. But she is saying that but it will be silly if I keep the peacock feather on my head. Now everyone at home calls me Peacock because that's why male means. Now why Tata and others call her Peacock? Because the meaning of her name is Peacock. Except Thamrai. But Thamrai doesn't call her Peacock. Let's see why. The last bit in the warning is for him. He used to eat newspaper when he was small. Amma says not anymore, but who knows? Maybe he eats diaries or notebook nowadays. Now Thamrai doesn't call her Peacock because there is a reason that in childhood he used to eat newspapers and other things which were made up of paper at his young age. So that's why he had been warned to not to do so. So that's why maybe the reason that Thamrai doesn't call her Peacock. But now again she is very much conscious that maybe nowadays Thamrai must be eating diaries or notebooks. So she is again very much scared कि कहीं उसकी diaries और उसकी notebooks Thamrai ना खा ले. So somewhere yes. So students, the chapter is over and I hope that you all must have enjoyed the chapter, enjoyed the story written by Mail, and of course she has shared her page from her diary, and that is very much and the page from her diary is very much secret, but she has shared with us just to make us understand that why should we write diary and how should we write diary. So students, now today I'm gonna give you a task that you all should make a diary on your own. अपने आप से डायरी बनाइएगा, and in that you should write something about your Sunday, that what do you do on Sundays and how do you spend your Sunday, right? So this is for today students, and in the next video or in your assignment I'll be giving you the question answers and word meanings also. So till then children, take care, bye bye.